Legs feeling weak or tired? Here are 6 superfoods to boost your strength fast. 1. Bananas, potassium-packed for cramp control. 2. Spinach, iron plus magnesium equals muscle fuel. 3. Eggs, protein and B12 for nerve plus muscle power. 4. Sweet potatoes, clean carbs for lasting energy. 5. Oranges, vitamin C to boost blood flow. 6. Nuts, healthy fats plus magnesium equals total muscle support. Eat smart. Stay strong. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips that actually work. Absolutely. Here's a deep dive into each of the 6 foods, with a more comprehensive look at how they support your legs when they feel weak, tired, or crampy. This breakdown focuses on the science and benefits to give you a full understanding of why these foods are so effective. Sure, let's go deep into bananas. How they help your body, especially for energy, muscle strength, and recovery when you feel weak or tired. Bananas. Deep nutritional power. Bananas are often called nature's energy bar, and for good reason. They're packed with nutrients that work together to support muscle function, nerve health, digestion, and recovery. 1. Potassium, the muscle mineral. Bananas are rich in potassium, a key electrolyte that helps control muscle contractions, heart rhythm, and fluid balance. When your potassium is low, like after sweating, heavy exercise, or poor diet, you might feel muscle cramps, fatigue, or weakness, especially in your legs. 1 banana equals 400 for 50 mg potassium. Daily target. 3. 500 for 700 mg. 2. Natural carbohydrates. Instant energy. Bananas contain natural sugars, glucose, fructose, sucrose, and fiber. This gives you quick energy, but without the crash, because the fiber helps slow the sugar release into your bloodstream. Perfect pre-workout or when you feel drained. 3. Vitamin B6, brain plus nerve function. B6 supports the creation of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which help with mood, motivation, and muscle communication. It also helps in protein metabolism, important for muscle repair. 4. Magnesium, relax and recover. Magnesium helps relax your muscles after they contract, preventing cramps and spasms. A banana isn't the highest source, but it contributes, especially when paired with other foods. 5. Antioxidants and dopamine boost. Bananas contain dopamine and catechins, which act as antioxidants, fighting off stress-related muscle damage. They also help boost your mental energy and motivation. Bonus: gut health support. Bananas contain prebiotics, specifically resistant starch in greener bananas and pectin. These feed good bacteria in your gut, which supports digestion and nutrient absorption, both essential for strong muscles and energy. Best times to eat a banana for strength or energy. Morning for quick energy. Before/after exercise to fuel or refuel muscles. When feeling weak/tired to restore potassium and carbs. With a protein food for balanced recovery. 2. Eggs. Nature's protein powerhouse. Eggs are a perfect protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. They're compact, versatile, and loaded with nutrients that support your muscles, nerves, brain, and metabolism. Key areas when you're dealing with leg tiredness or weakness. 1. Complete protein. Build and repair muscles. 1 egg has about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein. Your muscles need protein to rebuild and grow, especially after stress, fatigue, or micro-damage from movement or overuse. The amino acid leucine, found in eggs, is especially powerful in muscle recovery and strength building. Why it matters: weak legs might be a sign of muscle breakdown, undernourishment, or poor repair. Eggs support all of that. 2. Vitamin B12, nerve strength plus energy. Vitamin B12 is vital for the nervous system. It helps create the myelin sheath, which protects and speeds up nerve signals. If you're low in B12, you might feel tingling, numbness, or weakness in your legs. Eggs are one of the best natural sources of B12, especially in the yolk. 3. Choline, brain and muscle communication. Choline helps make acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that allows your brain to send signals to your muscles. Low choline equals sluggish movement, poor coordination, and fatigue. Egg yolks are the #1 dietary source of choline. 4. Vitamin D, bone plus muscle synergy. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium and supports muscle contractions. Deficiency is common and linked to muscle weakness, especially in the hips and legs. Eggs contain vitamin D, especially if the hens are pasture-raised or vitamin D enriched. 5. Antioxidants, lutein plus zeaxanthin cell protection. These are found in the egg yolk and help reduce inflammation, protect muscle and nerve cells, and support blood flow. 6. Iron plus healthy fats equals energy plus recovery. Egg yolks contain heme iron, which is easily absorbed by the body to help reduce hemoglobin, oxygen transport. The healthy fats in the yolk support hormone balance and joint lubrication. Raw versus cooked? Cooked eggs unlock more protein bioavailability. Your body absorbs it better. Raw eggs may reduce some vitamin absorption and carry risk of bacteria. Best times to eat eggs for weakness or recovery. Post-workout or after physical fatigue. To rebuild muscle. Breakfast. To start the day with lasting energy. With veggies or whole grains. For a full nutrient spectrum. With fruit like orange or papaya, vitamin C boosts iron absorption. 3. Sweet potatoes. Deep nutritional support for energy and strength. Sweet potatoes are more than just a tasty side. They're rich in complex carbs, potassium, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support muscle function, endurance, and cellular repair. 1. Complex carbohydrates. Long-lasting energy. Sweet potatoes are loaded with slow-digesting carbohydrates, which provide steady fuel to your muscles over time. Unlike sugary foods, they don't spike your blood sugar. This means more endurance and less crashing. Perfect before physical activity or when recovering from fatigue. 2. Potassium. Muscle function plus cramp control. Potassium helps your muscles contract properly and balances fluid levels inside cells. When potassium is low, you might feel leg cramps, weakness, or shakiness. 1 medium sweet potato equals more potassium than banana, 540 mg. 3. Magnesium and manganese. Muscle recovery plus bone support. Magnesium helps relax muscles and prevent spasms. Manganese supports bone development and helps convert food into usable energy, ADP, especially useful during muscle fatigue. 4. Beta-carotene, vitamin A, cell protection, and healing. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, a strong antioxidant that converts into vitamin A in the body. It supports cell repair, immune function, and fights inflammation, helping sore or stressed leg muscles recover faster. 5. Vitamin C and E, collagen and recovery. Vitamin C helps build collagen, a structural protein that supports joints, tendons, and muscles. Vitamin E protects muscle cells from oxidative damage after stress or overuse. 6. Anti-inflammatory power. Sweet potatoes contain choline anthocyanins, especially purple varieties, and other phytonutrients that calm inflammation in the body. Inflammation is often the root cause of chronic muscle pain or fatigue, especially in the legs. 7. Gut support for nutrient absorption. Their natural fiber feeds good gut bacteria and promotes steady digestion, which helps your body absorb nutrients better, a key part of muscle health and recovery. Best times to eat sweet potatoes for energy and recovery. Lunch or dinner after physical activity. Before long walks or workouts. As part of a balanced meal with protein and greens. Pro tip. Roast sweet potatoes with olive oil and cinnamon. This boosts absorption of beta-carotene and adds natural anti-inflammatory benefits. 4. Oranges. Deep nutritional support for energy, circulation, and recovery. Oranges are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and natural sugars that work together to revive tired muscles, fight inflammation, improve circulation, and help your body recover. 1. Vitamin C, collagen, healing, and circulation. Oranges are one of the richest sources of vitamin C, which your body needs to produce collagen, the protein that forms the structure of muscles, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. Stronger vessels equals better circulation, equals more oxygen and nutrients to your legs. 1 medium orange equals 70 mg of vitamin C, 100% plus of daily need. 2. Natural sugars plus fiber. Clean, quick energy. Oranges contain glucose and fructose, which give you an instant boost without the crash. The fiber, especially in the pulp, slows down sugar absorption, keeping your blood sugar stable, important for avoiding energy dips that cause leg weakness. 3. Potassium, muscle support and cramp prevention. Like bananas and sweet potatoes, oranges provide potassium, an essential electrolyte that keeps your muscles contracting properly and prevents cramps or fatigue. 1 orange equals 230 mg of potassium. 4. Flavonoids, hesperidin, and naringin blood flow boosters. Oranges are rich in plant compounds like hesperidin, which relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation. Better blood flow to the legs equals less heaviness, swelling, or numbness. 5. Antioxidants reduce oxidative stress and muscle damage. Vitamin C, carotenoids, and flavonoids neutralize free radicals that damage muscle cells after stress, exercise, or poor circulation. For this supports faster recovery and less soreness or weakness in the legs. 6. Folate, vitamin B9 nerve and cell health. Folate helps with red blood cell formation and supports nervous system function. Weak legs can sometimes relate to poor nerve signal transmission, which folate helps restore. Bonus, hydration support. Oranges are about 87% water, helping you stay hydrated. Crucial for muscle energy and electrolyte balance. Best ways to eat oranges for muscle and energy support. As a mid-morning snack with a handful of nuts. Post-workout, especially with eggs or smoothie. With iron-rich foods like spinach or lentils to boost iron absorption. In a citrus salad or smoothie for a vitamin-packed recovery meal. Quick recovery combo idea. Spinach plus boiled eggs plus orange slices. Boosts iron, protein, and vitamin C for muscle recovery and energy. Nuts. Deep nutritional fuel for muscle and nerve strength. Nuts are small but incredibly dense in healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They deliver long-lasting energy, reduce inflammation, and protect your nerves, joints, and muscles at a cellular level. 1. Healthy fats, omega-3s in Mufa's brain, nerves, and recovery. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, ELA, which reduce inflammation and support brain and nerve function. Almonds, cashews, and pistachios offer monounsaturated fats, MUFAs, that support heart health and circulation. These fats also help absorb fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K, that your muscles and bones need. Why it matters. Nerve fatigue or weak legs can result from inflammation or poor signal transmission. Omega-3s support both. 2. Magnesium, muscle relaxation plus energy. Nuts are one of the best natural sources of magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle contraction and relaxation. ADP, energy molecule, production, preventing cramps and spasms. 1 ounce of almonds equals 76 mg magnesium. Daily target, 300 to 400 milligrams. 3. Protein, muscle repair and strength. All nuts provide plant-based protein, helping repair muscle tissue and build strength over time. Almonds and pistachios are especially high in protein per gram. Nuts plus fruit equals balanced snack for sustained energy and recovery. 4. Vitamin E, antioxidant and muscle cell protection. Almonds are the #1 food source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects muscles from oxidative damage, aids in skin, joint, and tissue repair, enhances recovery after physical stress. 1 ounce almonds equals 7.3 mg vitamin E, 50% plus of daily needs. 5. B vitamins, nerve plus energy support. Nuts contain B1, thiamine, B6, folate, and niacin, which help convert food into energy, support healthy nerve transmission to your muscles, maintain brain clarity, and reduce physical fatigue. 6. Anti-inflammatory phytonutrients. Walnuts and almonds contain polyphenol and flavonoids that reduce systemic inflammation, great for joint pain, swollen or tired legs, exercise recovery. 7. Mineral power, zinc, calcium, and iron. Zinc supports cell repair and immune strength. Calcium helps with muscle contraction and nerve signal transmission. Iron, in cashews and almonds, helps deliver oxygen to muscles. Best times to eat nuts for energy plus recovery. Mid-morning or afternoon snack to prevent energy crashes. With fruit, banana, orange for balance of carbs plus fat plus protein. Before sleep, some nuts like pistachios help relax muscles and promote rest. After activity, pair with dried fruit or yogurt for recovery. Deep recovery snack idea. Handful of almonds plus banana slices plus sprinkle of cinnamon. Balances potassium, magnesium, protein, and healthy fat for tired legs and sharp focus.